Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BABYDOGE 2.0 token. Now BABYDOGE 2.0 was in the top gainer section recently. Right now, as of recording this video, it is up 48.63%, doing very well right now. BABYDOGE Space 2.0 is the name of the token. BABYDOGE 2.0, all one word, is the ticker symbol. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token you can find listed on CoinMarketCap. Now, their Twitter, as always, I put in the corner of the screen here. You can find it in the corner of the video screen there. Their Twitter is BABYDOGE_2_0. They also have a Telegram at BABYDOGE_2. So their Telegram has 4,073 members, 869 of them online. So they do have a decent, social media following. You can join some groups and chat about BABYDOGE 2.0. It says the next generation of crypto fun. Some OG BABYDOGE whales ready to recreate history. So check out their Telegram. Now, just looking at their BSC scan here, they have 2,573 holders so far. So they're doing very well so far on, holder-wise. And then they have 9 decimal places on this token. They have a total supply here of, that is a billion, trillion, looks like 420 quadrillion tokens. Right now, this token is according to their BSC scan, it says it's down 2.73%, but CoinMarketCap says it's up 45.75%, so it's kind of strange, but yeah, it was in the top gainer section last time I was checking there. You can also find a full, or you can find their GitHub here listed on CoinMarketCap with the contract address, chart, all that nice stuff is on here. So, BABYDOGE 2.0 is a meme project built on the Binance Smart Chain, created for entertainment purposes only. Please note that this is not a financial investment, and there are no guarantees of returns or value. Invest responsibly and do thorough research before engaging with any digital currency projects. So that's what they put on CoinMarketCap. So just be aware of that, no intrinsic value. Now, if you did want to get this token, since it's a Binance Smart Chain token, you can get it off of PancakeSwap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the BABYDOGE 2.0 token using the contract address that you can find on CoinMarketCap. You can find it on their webpage. You can find it on their BSC scan. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. Now, here's the weird thing. So this token, according to CoinMarketCap, is on the Binance Smart Chain. And according to their BSC scan, it is as well. But their webpage is BDOGE2.ETH.club. And ETH is short for Ethereum, so that's very strange that it's a Binance Smart Chain token, but their webpage has ETH in it and not BNB. I don't know what to tell you, but you can check out their DEX tools chart on their webpage here. We're going to go over the security here in a second for this token. It says if you would like BABYDOGE, if you like BABYDOGE, then you will fall in love with BABYDOGE 2.0. Are you ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency with a cute and playful twist? Look no further than BABYDOGE 2.0. We've taken the crypto community by storm, bringing you an innovative and adorable digital currency that combines cutting-edge technology with the charm of our lovable BABYDOGE mascot. Join us on this exciting journey and discover a new way to have fun and earn rewards in the crypto space. BABYDOGE 2.0 ready for flight. Tokenomics, 0% tax. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from, well, it says 0% tax on buys, but then it doesn't say anything about sell. So we'll check again. We'll check the security here in a second. It'll tell us what the sell tax is. But it says 0% tax anyways. So you probably will not have to change slippage. It says there is a buyback and burn mechanism. So it will be a deflationary token. And then it also says 50% of the tokens get burnt. So then it has the contract address. And so it takes inspiration from BABYDOGE, obviously. And besides that, I mean, Pepe 2.0 did very well. And right now on MEXC Global, if you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have a referral code down there. You guys can check that out. But on MEXC Global's Twitter, they have some like event going on. Pepe 2.0 versus the normal Pepe token. So it's kind of a cool little event they're doing. So check that out on their Twitter. But yeah, that's where this token takes inspiration from, is right now 2.0 tokens are very popular. Mongoose 2.0 is in the top gainer section earlier, and I just did a video on that token, so check that one out as well. Yeah, there's a bunch of them. Pepe 2.0, Mong 2.0, we got BABYDOGE, we got Doge, we got Floki, we got Shiba, you name it. They're all the 2.0s are coming out now. So they have an email if you want to email them, info@bdoge2eth.club. Now, let's get to the security here. So you can check out their DEX tools chart. And it talks about their Pancake Swap V2 pool info. So total liquidity is $136,290. 24-hour trading volume right now is $1.2 million. Pooled BNB, 293.52 BNB. Pooled BABYDOGE, there's a lot of those. BABYDOGE 2.0, I mean. Total market cap right now, $702,000. They have almost 2,000 holders, 1,980 holders. Doing very well here right now. Their DEX score is 89 out of 99. It does say contract renounced, so that's good there. Now, if we go to their Go Plus security on the DEX tools chart, it's going to tell us some warnings on here. So one of the warnings, it just says sell tax is 2%, so I'm assuming that goes to marketing and development. 0% buy tax, just like they said. They say no honeypot, so that's good. No mintable tokens. Now, mostly good check marks here. Yeah, I mean, everything else is kind of checked off and fine. There's no big red flags. The only thing it says 2% sell tax. So that's not too bad. Contracts doesn't look terrible. They have a 94% trust vote score. So yeah, not too shabby on the security side. So check this token out. That doesn't mean it's 100% safe. You could still get totally rugged somehow. You know, something could happen. Token's up 50% right now, doing very well. Check it out on CoinMarketCap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comments section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.